Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install our package on SQL Server for data scientist. So let's see. So first here we need to install SQL Server using R. So you need to click on the setup. After that there please wait while Microsoft SQL Server 2019 is the latest version currently. Now click on this installation, new SQL Server standalone installation. After that click on next. So it's checking for updates and no update for SQL Server found. Then after next, install set of files, scan. So there is no any problem, click next. Thereafter there you can select three type of addition, developer, evaluation, express. So developer fine, next, I accept, next. Then after this is the important place or important page. There you need to select first database, engine service, then you need to select here R. After selecting R, okay, so click on next, and here you can get this is type C, already installed something. So default instance, click next. So this directory there SQL Server is installing. Now click on next. Then after here select mixed mode. This is the system administrator SA account. There you need to give the password. After giving the password, click on add current user, next. Then after here Microsoft R open is an enhanced distribution of R made, this all those things. Okay, you need to click on this accept. So here you can see this is all detailed by clicking accept and click on next button enable. Then there you need to download these two files. Copy this first and thereafter open any of your favorite browser. There you need to paste. Press enter, then you can see SRO cap file that is downloading. Thereafter the next is here you need to select the second one, Control C and paste there. Press enter. So second file is downloading. So these two files are essential. So this that I already downloaded, so I'm going to pause that. Now you can see this that I already downloaded. So this is on the desktop. These two files are essential. After that here you need to click on this browse and select the file desktop, and here R directory you need to select, click on OK. So it's here you can see, then you can see the next button that enable, click on next. Then after this is all the summary and this location where are that going to install, click on install. Okay, so here this is now generating order dependencies and here producing internet. So the installation process is now started, so it will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video. Now you can see our machine learning service and language extension database engine service, three are installed successful. Okay, so let's click on this close and let's open SSMS Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So it's opening. Thereafter you need to here, so you need to, okay, let's give the password. So connecting with the system administrator user. After that click on this new query, and thereafter here I already have some query that is written to save some times. So directly I'm copying and using inside there. So this is the first is connect to the instance where you install the R service. So you need to use this query sp-config, you can see. After that, to enable the external scripting features, so you need to click on this, you need to execute this query. After that, here to print the hello world, you need to execute sp execute external script language R script and print function, then that print hello world. So this is the most simplest way we can here. So we can install our package on Microsoft SQL Server. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.